Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDJPY today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the strong uptrend. How many times do I tell you every week that we're gonna take down this high, then maybe this high? Okay, so we're going for this high in the long run. So coming back to daily chart, we have the, let me see, what do we have? Uptrend, and this is your Christian cross on Friday. So we're gonna go up. 4 hour is right here. Price rejecting the EMA. As you can see, this is your rejection. Then bullish engulfing. This candle is meaningless because this is the last candle on Friday in 4 hour. So this candle is meaningless. But this bullish engulfing is your signal. Enter your long position right here. Okay, so uptrend rejection has come from the EMA. Candle closed above the EMA. Bullish engulfing. That's your long entry in pairs like USDJPY and USD CAD. When they are in the super strong uptrend, you don't counter trend. Okay. USDJPY, look for longs, bigger time frame, says we're going to take down this high. That's it. Free money. Okay, subscribe, like, share, blah, blah, blah. Get the software if you want and join my free Telegram, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, have a happy trading week, I guess. Okay, take care. Bye.